Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal so the motor cannot activate unexpectedly. Once done, remove screws and pry clips to lift off the door panel. Store fasteners in order. Peel back the vapor barrier carefully and lower the glass to a mid position or tape it in place so you can access the regulator and motor easily. This prevents glass dropping and gives you clear access to bolts that secure the window assembly. You now test the window motor with jumper leads to confirm whether the motor or regulator is faulty. This saves time. After confirming, unbolt the regulator and motor assembly and remove it, keeping track of mounting bolts and the way cables route through the door. Inspect tracks and rollers for bends or seized bearings and examine plastic clips and sliders for brakes. Replace any damaged slider or cable. Clean and lubricate tracks so you reinstall the repaired or replacement regulator and motor, torquing bolts to manufacturer specs and routing cables the same way. Once mounted, reattach the glass to the regulator, align it inside the guide channels, and make incremental adjustments until the window travels smoothly without binding. Reconnect the battery and run a full cycle test, using the switch to auto-home the window if available. If the window binds or skips, check for misaligned tracks, loose bolts, or debris in the channel and relubricate as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.